4 ways to store garlic for longer. You want to store the garlic in dark, cool, low to medium humidity room temperature. The best temperature to store the garlic is actually between 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Also provide the garlic with good air circulation. So you can put garlic in anything with ventilation hose, mesh bags, or even paper bags, just not plastic bags. And under these conditions, the garlic should stay fresh for up to 6 months. Broken bulbs will only last for up to 10 days. Refrigerating a whole garlic bulb is a bad idea because it can actually cause the garlic to go bad. It also adds moisture to the garlic and therefore grows mold on it. But once the garlic is peeled, it is best to store it in an airtight container in the fridge. It will stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. In case your garlic sprouts, you can still eat it, but the taste will change. If you don't feel like eating it anymore, you can actually plant it in soil and grow more garlic. You can also freeze the peeled, smashed, chopped, sliced, or minced garlic in a Ziploc bag. And place the bag in your freezer. Write a date on it. It will last up to 1 year. But the texture of the garlic will change. It will be softened after it is unfreezed. You can also place peeled, smashed, chopped, sliced, minced, however you like, kind of garlic, in an ice cube tray. So 1 teaspoon of minced garlic is about 2 cloves. And also pour oil in it to store it in the freezer. It will stay fresh in the freezer for up to 4 months. So when you need to do some cooking like stir fry, you can just put 1 ice cube of this garlic and oil mixture on your pan. It actually makes prepping for the cooking a lot easier. So if you have any other tips or tricks on how to preserve or store garlic for much longer, comment below and share with me. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and also share this really awesome video with your friends and family. And I will see you again in the next episode. Bye now!